Hey everybody, Brian Hart Hoffman here in the Bake From Scratch kitchen. Today I'm sharing a recipe with you for roasted strawberry Italian buttercream. Now Italian buttercream is one of the most popular, known for its very light and fluffy texture, and the twist on this one with roasted strawberries is so delicious, I promise you're gonna eat it straight from the bowl. Let's get started. To get things started, I have a saucepan on my stovetop, and in the saucepan, I'm combining granulated sugar with roasted strawberry juice. Now this is gonna give us an amazing strawberry flavor, and it's gonna give the buttercream a beautiful color too. We're gonna turn on the heat, and then before it's boiling, you can gently stir, but be sure to do this without splashing the sides. You just wanna stir enough to combine the strawberry juice and the sugar. Then, once this mixture is boiling, we are not gonna stir, and we're gonna let it reach 240 degrees Fahrenheit on an instant read thermometer. All right, our strawberry mixture is at 240 degrees Fahrenheit, but here's a good idea too. If you wanna make this buttercream without the strawberry flavor, all you need to do is substitute that roasted strawberry juice for water and proceed, and you'll have a beautiful buttercream without the strawberry flavor. Now, in the bowl of the stand mixer, fitted with the whisk attachment, I'm going to put my egg whites in, and these are room temperature egg whites. I'm going to add them to the mixing bowl with some kosher salt and cream of tartar. I'm gonna let these combine on medium speed until we have soft peak. Now, we have a beautiful soft peak meringue, and now it's time to bring in our hot sugar syrup. So putting the stand mixer on a medium speed, I will gradually pour in a slow and steady stream this hot sugar mixture between the side of the bowl and the whisk, and just keep pouring slowly until all of the mixture is in the mixing bowl. Now, let's take the speed of the stand mixer to a high speed and beat until we have stiff peaks and the meringue and the bowl have cooled and it's easy to touch without feeling a lot of the heat from the stovetop. After 9 minutes of mixing, we have a beautiful meringue. Look at that. There's your stiff peaks. It's pale pink, so don't worry, we've got more strawberries to add as we mix. But now, let's get some butter in there. So now I'm gonna take the speed of the stand mixer to a medium speed, and then I'm gonna add some of our unsalted cubed butter at room temperature, just a few pieces at a time, and I'm gonna let each of the additions get combined before I add more. Now you should know, the mixture may look a little loose or even broken during this process, but when you keep mixing, it's gonna all come back together and get nice and smooth. With all of the butter in, we're gonna stop and scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl, get all of that meringue from the side of the bowl that might not have mixed in, and then we'll add some vanilla bean paste. With the vanilla bean paste in, we're gonna take the speed back up to a medium speed and let this go until it's nice and light and fluffy and looks smooth, and that may be about 1 or 2 minutes. Look at this. The buttercream looks beautiful, but we need more strawberry. So now we're gonna take this off the stand mixer, and then we're gonna fold in roasted strawberries. We could stop right here, but why do that? The roasted strawberries are gonna give us even more of that beautiful color and flavor. I love the intensity that you get from roasted strawberries. So we're just gonna fold this through until we have it all evenly distributed into our buttercream, and then you can use it immediately or you can refrigerate it. But if you refrigerate it, you do need to let it sit and come to temperature. Then you need to take it back into the bowl of the stand mixer, using the whisk, get it nice and fluffy and smooth again. Look at this deliciousness. The texture of this buttercream is silky and smooth, even though you see these studded strawberries in there giving the texture just a little bit of a difference. This one is light and fluffy, and people are going to love it. Thanks for joining me today. The description to the video includes a link to the recipe and information about how you can be a part of the Bake From Scratch community. Now please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and be sure to never miss another delicious moment. Now preheat your ovens, everyone. It's time to bake, and then make some frosting.